Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier here. They approach TV. Me have another story to tell you. This time, it's another set of goat thief. Listen to me. Me no know if them boy you think say, them a go continue if you get away with it. You see, in this one ya, then get quang off. Them get quanging. I am not talking about hanging. Them boy you think say we are St. James, Jamaica. 2 suspect goat thief get where them forget. I mean not talk about the goat. Listen, 2 suspect goat thief St. James have been quanged. The police are probing the murder of 2 men who are believed to have been shot after they went on a goat stealing venture. Listen, people, the price of mutton gone up. The price of mutton gone up. Y'all can see. Boy, you dead for my goat. Boy, you dead for my goat. For me goat, you know? My goat. St. James police are probing the quanging of 2 said to be men that went on a goat stealing venture. The men were caught stealing goats in Corner Lane, Adelphi, St. James. The police have disclosed that goats were found in the Toyota Voxy motorcar in which the men arrived in the area. So the proof did that. The response to the development, the police were warning residents not to take justice into their hands. We do not condone any form of jungle justice, but that's the only justice we get when we need justice. You think a little of me goat the boy them teeth off? The man them a move like a mongoose to the fall chicken egg. We are appealing to the residents, the police said, to desist from taking the law into their own hands and allow the police to do their job. A senior police officer implored, move your blouse and skirt if you know what it's worth. Cause you know I move like man a wibble and wobble. You think I look like me goat the boy them teeth and scrabble? 2 men were reportedly caught in the act and killed by irate resident in a St. Anne's earlier this week. You must think we are ramp with the goat thief. Listen, people. You know how hard it is for me get up and tie out me goat them every morning. You think a little shoes mash up in the dew water every morning. You think a little valuation when me goat get where pan somebody else farm. I what do them boy ya? After you see me every day I go up early to go tie out me goat. And I come in late at night. Corner Lane, Adelphi, St. James. Oh no, know what me mean? The boy them have the goat them in a the Voxy Toyota. And when we catch them, not even police couldn't reach over. When we quang up boy we a thief we got. One of his stop thief we got. Country people them don't like it. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if we should spike it. Them boy ya do it for spite. Them a thief with day and night. Them drive round in a me community but goat we a buy. When the boy them a lie. The boy them a survey me spot. Say the boy them roll up and thief when me snatch. Listen, the boy them find me stash. After me have me goat them and me a pray. So later on down in the year, me a go butcher 1 and sell 3. The boy them roll up with the Voxy and pushing the goat them and Ghana country. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know if you ever have any goat thief. If you know anybody with a goat thief, tell them to stop it. Tell them to stop it. Cause the head, country man, go drop it. More life and more joy. Yeah, more happiness. More life and more joy. And more happiness.